in it, unique, especially in classics. Corvette Stingray Coupe, 2LT Z51 package, black on black. The black wheels, 19-inch up front, 20 in the rear. 6.2 liter, of course, underneath the hood. 455 horse, 460 pound-feet of torque. Best part about this car, one owner, a little over 11,000 miles. Originally sold in Tennessee. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles, and it shows. Very well taken care of, a nice car. You're going to have maybe a couple little tiny spots. I'm going to show up like where you'll have a touch up maybe here or there on the black, but overall, again, it shows very nice. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And you can see passenger side not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, the Z51 package, you can have the slotted rotors up front. You can also see a picture of the RPO codes in with the still pictures, so you know every option that this car has. And as you can also see, it does have the 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Heads-up display, all your standard equipment on the 2LT package. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust. This one does have the removable top, which is the paint color, solid color as the car. That is in the trunk compartment right now, but you can see still pictures with it in and with it out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look at the driver's side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches on this side either. You can see just a mirror-like finish. You can see all the way to the front door. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this car. Again, black on black. Of course, you can have your memory seating, power seats, power windows, locks, all the standard equipment that you're going to find again on the 2LT package. Heads-up display, our steering wheel controls information center, mode select for suspension, and again, electronic dual climate control, heated ventilated seats. And there's your exact miles. Let it focus. 11,375. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Of course, display screen for radio navigation. Also even your heating control, HVAC controls. Coming back over here. No warning indicators, no service engine soons, anything like that. Turn the radio down here in a second. Alright. And again, one owner, clean Carfax. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Anything obnoxious like that. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. We'll check out the engine bay. I want to show you how clean and tidy that is also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, engine bay. Again, nice and clean. 6.2 liter. 455 horsepower it was. 460 pound-feet of torque. And again, 2LT Z51 package. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. No surprises on this one, folks. What you'd expect out of a low mile, well taken care of, adult owned and driven Corvette 2014 Stingray. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.